Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our series on mastering Robinhood in 2025. If you're ready to fund your account and start trading stocks, cryptos, or whatever catches your eye, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down how to deposit money on Robinhood step by step. It's quicker and more secure than ever, thanks to the latest updates. So, grab your phone or computer, and let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Robinhood app installed on your device or head to their website. If you're new, download it from your app store, it's free and user-friendly. Once you're set, log in to your account using your email, phone number, or whatever method you used when you signed up. Security is key here, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled to protect your funds. Now, let's get to the fun part. Tap on the Account or Funding tab. Depending on the 2025 interface, it might be right on the home screen for easy access. You'll see options for deposits. Choose your preferred method. You could go with a bank transfer, which is usually instant for linked accounts, or use a debit card for quicker access. Robinhood has expanded its options by 2025, so you might even see new features like direct crypto deposits or international wire transfers. Next, enter the amount you want to deposit. Be mindful of any limits. Robinhood often has daily or weekly caps for new users to prevent fraud. Review the details carefully, then hit Confirm. You'll get a confirmation notification, and your funds should show up in your account within minutes for instant methods or up to a few business days for bank transfers. One quick tip. Always monitor your account after depositing to ensure everything processes smoothly. If you run into any issues, Robinhood's 24/7 chat support is a lifesaver. And there you have it. Your account is funded and ready for action. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you in the next video.